how to withdraw money from Scatter to GCash. So if you have enough funds, what you're gonna have to do is just log into the account that has it and go to the bottom right, which is your menu. Inside your menu, you will be able to see the credit balance that you have. In our case, we don't really have that much, but we'll show you where you can withdraw this. So you have the top up option and the withdraw. So just go ahead and press on withdraw, of course. Then if you want to go ahead and choose wherever you want to withdraw this currency, then just press on this plus button over here. Here you will be able to choose your withdrawal method. In our case, it's going to be GCash, so press on that. You're gonna have to make sure you have a password for your account as well. And once you do, make sure you are verified as well. Once you are, you will be able to put in your GCash account. So make sure you know the details of that as well. And once you choose the GCash withdrawal method, put in the amount over here. Make sure you have enough for that. Press on agree to the terms and conditions and go ahead and confirm. Then just follow up with the rest of the prompts. But that's pretty much how you withdraw money from Scatter to GCash. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.